Hello everyone, this is Paukshte Fashion Workshop. I remind you that we post new videos every day. I also want to remind you that some of my video courses are already available. Buy them if you haven't done it yet. I would really appreciate your support. Today I'd like to give you a wardrobe tour. I want to show you all of my dresses. I've updated them recently. I've made several new dresses. Some old dresses are worn out. Some of them became too big because I've lost some weight. I need to decide whether to alter them or not. I've already shown you my dresses. It was a pretty long time ago. First of all, let's have a look at this evening dress. It's absolutely gorgeous. One side is decorated with a flounce. The skirt is fit and flare. The other side is pink. There's no flounce here. The most interesting detail of this dress is the train. To tell the truth, it's not very comfortable, but it does look luxurious, and it's very good for some special occasions. Anyway, I'm glad that I have at least one long train dress. I feel like a queen wearing it. The dress is made of crepe. The fabric is very convenient to work with, and it beautifully falls when being flared. Let's have a look at the next dress. You've already seen it. This is a maxi dress. The dress is made by a famous designer Tadashi Shoji. The dress is elegant and stylish. I combine it with different earrings. The next dress is also long. It's a birthday gift from a French fashion designer. I love it. It's also suitable for some special occasions. I haven't had an occasion to wear it yet, but I can't wait for it. Have a look at this Fringe sleeveless dress. I usually wear it with high heels. I love it. These four dresses are mostly for some special occasions. I don't wear them often. The following dresses are suitable both for business meetings and other official events. Have a look at this pleated dress. It's beautiful and it's very comfortable. The fabric is absolutely amazing. This dress is made of Rufa fabric. I've already shown it to you. It's simple and stylish at the same time. I like to combine it with different accessories. This dress is a combination of chiffon, net and lace. I've shown it to you as well. The front is decorated with lace, and the sleeves are doubled with net. The print is very beautiful. I love this retro style dress. Have a look at this one. It's not new. I don't wear it often, but I love it. It's pretty heavy. I've lost some weight, but it still fits me well. I usually combine it with high heels. The skirt in it is doubled with net. As I've said, I love the dress. So I have 4 evening dresses and 4 cocktail dresses. The following dresses are casual. This is my favorite dress. I wear it very often. It's a sheath dress made of crepe and doubled with lace. The design is very simple. The dress doesn't wrinkle. What I love about this dress is that I can take it with me when I go somewhere. The red dress is similar. They're both comfortable. It seems like I have too many dresses, but they are all different. The following two dresses are Chanel style. They are warm. The beige dress is with semi-raglan sleeves, and the check dress is with the red bow. They're casual, but I can also wear them for some special occasions, meetings, or even to a concert, for example. I love these dresses. Two Chanel style dresses are enough for me. Two lace dresses, two Chanel style dresses. I'd like you to understand that it's not necessary to have a lot of dresses for each season. It's important to have high quality dresses. Some casual for each season, several cocktail dresses, and several evening dresses for special occasions. What I have now is enough for me. This dress is very warm. I usually wear it with a cape with a hood decorated with fringe. It's very good for the cold weather. I like going for a walk in it. This is my favorite black dress. It's made of Italian woolen fabric. It's very comfortable and stylish. It's very easy to combine it with various accessories. The dress helps me out on trips. It's perfect for all occasions. This is a jacket dress of Rufacoli fabric. I also wear it pretty often. I've already shown it to you. So these dresses are mostly for formal occasions. These ones are suitable for winter. So I have several dresses for winter and several dresses for spring. The following dresses are for summer. I'd like to start with the sheath dresses. Have a look at this one. It's beautiful and very elegant. It fits me very well. It's made of the high quality jacquard. One more sheath dress is shaped with the princess seams. I don't wear it often, but I like it anyway. This sheath dress is also very stylish. I like it. It's probably a bit big for me now. I need to alter it. I'm not going to throw it away. I usually wear the previous dress with this mantle. Have a look at it. It's very light. It suits the dress well. I love the combination of colors. This dress is one of my favorites. Let's have a look at this one. It's a combination of cotton and net. It's also retro style. I like the design of this dress. It's pretty unusual. The following short dresses are pretty similar. I love them. I've already shown you one of them. The dark one can be combined with a woolen dress or with trousers. It's perfect for the office. And the bright one is better for the summer. This dress is made of linen. The dress is very comfortable. I love it. It's perfect for the summer. These 4 dresses are new. I made them this year. Please pay special attention to the following dresses. This dress is made of chiffon. It was made for the video course, which is already available. Buy it if you haven't done it yet. I would really appreciate your support. Having bought the course, you will be able to sew such amazing chiffon dresses without any problems. The second dress is also made of chiffon. I think that they are perfect for the vacation at the seashore. They are not suitable for formal occasions. Let's have a look at my old linen dresses. Have a look at this simple dress with red dots. I used to wear it very often. I combine it with my red bracelet and red sandals. The quality of fabric is still good. I can't throw it away, but I don't wear it often anymore. These 2 linen dresses are a bit big for me now. I should decide if I want to alter them or not.
Стоит их перешивать, не стоит их перешивать, потому что лен такой, что, может быть, и не потерпит перешивки, но пока не знаю, что с ними делать.
This linen dress is one of my favorite ones. I wear it often. It's simple and comfortable. It fits me well. The fabric is of a very good quality. I have a shirt made of the same fabric. It's pretty strong.
У меня еще есть такая рубашка, вещи хорошо сохраняются к новому сезону, прекрасно носятся. Вот это очень люблю платье. Вот это мое
This dress is ready-made.
платье, что-то я в этом
It's of an Italian fashion brand. I used to wear it often. But this year it's not that popular by me. However, I'd like to save it in my wardrobe.
появится настроение его одеть. Ну и вот
This is a Gucci style dress.
в стиле Gucci.
I've shown you how to make it. I don't wear it often. The dress is for some special occasions
Ну не поедет,
and for special mood.
ну пусть пока будет, поэтому у меня,
So these are the dresses which I don't wear often.
ну зачем-то есть. Вот это черная длинная, вот эти льняные, вот эти два как бы уже уходят в разряд домашних, даже не знаю, буду я их перешивать.
These linen dresses are mostly worn at home.
Вот это платье. Здесь вручную все
They need some alteration.
Ну, я решу, что с этим делать.
I'm not sure whether I'm going to do it or not.
Льняное платье в этом году пока
So this year I have only one linen dress for summer.
И теперь получается у меня к сезону пока. Одно льняное вот такое вот приличное платье. Очень я его полюбила.
Notice that all the new dresses are long.
Вот сшила себе
So totally I have about 30 dresses.
примерно 30 платьев. Примерно 30.
3 of them are from fashion designer Tadashi Shoji.
Здесь не моего производства. Это
This one is a gift from a French designer,
дизайнера из Парижа. Вот это
and this one is of an Italian fashion brand.
длинное итальянское черное. Остальное все
Other dresses are made according to the 10 measurement cutting system, except for the Gucci style dress.
в стиле Gucci. Оно у нас платье.
It was made without a pattern.
Тут у меня нету платьев без выкройки.
All these dresses are for different seasons.
Новые все платья. Ну смотрите, это же на круглый год
The fall is coming. I'm going to wear these warm dresses soon.
Вот сейчас лето наступает, вот эти платья уже как бы все уходят, их уже в чехлы уберу и вообще уберу.
I'd like to note that it's very important to update your wardrobe regularly.
Не так и много останется. Короче, девочки, надо шить. Я вот к чему говорю, что надо шить. Потому что я на это все посмотрела, думаю, а носить-то что? Эти платья.
These
уже,
dresses are pretty old.
ну, как бы,
They are worn out.
это вот поеду за город на море, поеду возьму
I made some of them last year, or even the year before the last year.
с прошлого года, с позапрошлого.
Now they're mostly suitable for wearing them at home.
О, не городское вот это все. А
Some dresses are suitable just for the warm weather,
платье
and some just for the cold weather.
я все так рассортировала.
You'd better check your wardrobe before sewing a new dress. Make sure you really need it.
Ну, немного,
Do not waste time and money on something you don't need.
Вот обязательно надо добавлять. Я что хочу сказать своим сегодняшним видеообзором? Я хочу сказать всем, что вы должны понимать,
Of course, I not only have dresses.
вот шейся какой-то.
It's better to have different skirts and trousers of linen, crepe, silk, cotton, other fabrics. You can combine them with blouses, skirts, jackets. However, I think that the base of a women's wardrobe is a dress.
Куда пойдешь, вот остается. Сейчас наступит зима, эти платья все уходят у нас. Надо их зачехлить в какие-то чехлы и убрать подальше с глаз. И получается, что мы должны четко знать, для какого сезона, для какого случая.
I also want to pay attention that most of my summer dresses are long and the winter dresses are mostly midi. It's very important to take into consideration the length of your outerwear. The dresses should not be seen from under the coat.
Из одних платьев.
And you cannot worry about the length of your dresses in summer.
Есть брюки шерстяные, хлопковые, креповые.
These are the things you should think about in advance.
Есть у меня два пиджака,
Ladies, I really want you to be different and beautiful every day.
парочка
This is what I'm here for. I show you a lot of interesting, useful techniques and details. I show you a lot of different designs. I want you to learn to use your imagination.
себе позволяю.
I want you to be able to sew and wear anything you want. I post free videos every day.
Потому что, ну, чтоб не
I also have some of my video courses available on the platform. Buy them if you haven't done it yet. I would really appreciate your support. I'm working really hard on them.
А летом, пожалуйста, если мы хотим до щиколотки и до пола, вот, пожалуйста, можем себе позволить.
I want to pay attention to the fact that most of my video courses are based on the 10 measurement cutting system.
Хочется и гуляешь. Ну что, на этом я с вами прощаюсь. Будьте разнообразными. Создавайте сами себе гардероб.
Having bought the course on the 10 measurement cutting system, you'll be able to make a perfect basic pattern according to your own measurements.
Исключением 3 платьев, присутствующих здесь. Остальное все сшито.
Having a perfect basic pattern, you'll be able to sew and wear anything you want.
Я, когда провожу уроки, наши уроки моделирования, девочки проводят мастер-классы, когда мы пишем
I want you to learn to be creative.
«хочу»,
I want you to sew different garments.
лучше шить,
I hope that with the help of our videos, you learn useful techniques and improve your sewing skills.
не шили по месяцу это платье.
Think about the designs and details in advance.
Оно уже вам надоело, вы уже одевать не хотите.
Sew your garments quickly and wear them with pleasure.
Операции
That's all for today. Be different and beautiful. My name is Irina Paukshte. Buy my courses, subscribe to my channel, write comments, share the videos, press the like and the bell buttons. I would really appreciate your support. Thank you. Goodbye.